All right, welcome back. We're going to talk now about increasing and decreasing functions. Okay, so let's take first just a couple of examples we've already seen. So start with my favorite function, y equals x squared. So y equals x squared looks like so. Okay, and as you're moving from left to right, okay, as you're moving from left to right, over here, it's actually going down. And then over here, it's going to go up. So we're going to say that this is decreasing, okay, on negative infinity to 0, and it's increasing on 0 to infinity. Okay, so that's the first example. Another couple examples that we did. Let's take a look at y equals 1 over x. Okay, so we looked at that the other day actually, and I even mentioned the increase and decrease, but let's mention it again. Okay, so here, as you move from left to right, as you move from left to right on the left-hand side, it's decreasing. And again on the right-hand side, as you move from left to right, it's decreasing. Okay, so this is always decreasing, but we do have a break at 0. So we're going to say this is decreasing from negative infinity to 0, and then again from 0 to infinity. Okay, take a look at another example. Let's take a look now at y equals 1 over x squared. Okay, so if we draw that, looks very similar to 1 over x on this side, but on this side, it's up here. Okay, on the left, it looks like so. So now, this is increasing on the left-hand side. Okay, as you move from left to right, it's going to go up. Here, on the right-hand side, as you move from left to right, it goes down. Okay, so we're going to say that this is increasing from negative infinity to 0, and then decreasing from 0 to infinity. Okay, next let's take a look at like an example that you might see in a homework problem. So let's say that we have a graph, okay, that has following properties. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has one peak here at negative 4 comma 3. Down here at 1 comma negative 3, or negative 1 comma negative 3, it has a valley there. And at 2, 6, it's going to have another peak. Okay, so then it's going to look in between there like so. Okay, so this is what our function looks like. So now, what's happening here? Before negative 4, okay, before negative 4, this thing is increasing. Okay, So we're going to write that as it's increasing from negative infinity to negative 4. Now that's not the only place it's increasing, okay? It's also going to be increasing from 1 to 2. We're only concerned with the x values where it's increasing or decreasing. So from negative 1 to 2, it's going to be increasing again. Okay. Now, when is it decreasing? Okay. Well, that's when the function is going down as you move from left to right. So here, from negative 4 to negative 1, the function is actually decreasing as you move from left to right. Okay. So negative 4 to negative 1. And then again, sorry about that, at 2, it starts decreasing again, and it just keeps on decreasing forever. So from 2 to infinity. Okay. All right, that pretty much covers increasing, decreasing. I'll see you guys in the next video with symmetry.